What if I told you that the average person can build real wealth simply by owning pieces of the world's biggest companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon? In this video, I'll break down exactly how the US stock market works and the smartest way beginners can start investing today. Number 1. What is the US stock market? The U.S. stock market is where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. The two biggest exchanges are the New York Stock Exchange, known for blue-chip giants, and NASDAQ, home to many leading tech companies. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing ownership in a business. If that business grows, your investment can grow with it. Number 2. The three most important indexes. The market is often measured by three major indexes: S&P 500, 500 of America's largest companies; Dow Jones, 30 established blue-chip leaders; and NASDAQ 100, major technology and growth companies. These indexes are the benchmark most long-term investors watch closely. Number 3. How beginners should start. For most beginners, the smartest move is not picking random stocks. Instead, start with low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100. This gives you instant diversification across hundreds of companies, reducing risk while capturing long-term market growth. Number 4. Why the U.S. market builds wealth. Historically, the U.S. stock market has been one of the most reliable wealth-building machines in the world. Companies innovate, earnings grow, and over time that growth is reflected in stock prices. This is why long-term investors focus on consistency, not short-term hype. Number 5. Best beginner strategy. The easiest strategy? Invest a fixed amount every month into an S&P 500 ETF. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, removes emotion and helps you build wealth steadily regardless of market volatility. If you want the next video on the best U.S. stocks to buy for long-term wealth, comment long-term